Matip ngaya pulih hai na hai. Bagi sendang bayo abreu am. Ki em news nam tam. Ya kitu ba shomor wai. Ko mamia.
Wat mudur li min em temian mea. Nam kum ta ti mayai hapun sai so nap kin chong mea.
Mea kertang complete. Tambah jing em jong ma incomplete.
Ki khubor ka batesi TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sembut menteri dang baka jelau bak sengap halang dhar, ong baka sorkar kan lihat dak Tyngeh. Ya kitu ki badan keti ha ka Jingtih Dewiong Be-Aiñ. Ha lor ka jingja ka belajar ha men sengat tangsko. Ong baka sorkar kala lihat ka badan kam baro nak liam jongka bar ong bah lor kini ka jingja dai banile politics bat pa ru ka jing lem syaki bah yang sem jong baro ki bayap. Susu la thu bah lor ka scientific mining ka jing kram ka sorkar kadang ya chekmat kenang ba baro kin yo ya kalat banti Dewiong dai tang kitu ki badan ya ka jaka ka hispa hektar.
You see, this type of incident, yes, is very, very unfortunate. I share my condolences to all affected family. Please remember now, not the time to play politics. It is high time to be actively responsible when such accidents occur. Yes, you know very well. Incidents were unfortunate, and yes, government is still very, very proactive stuff. We have sent all the teams to have that, and roughly till to yesterday, it's in around 27 bodies has been announced. And now when the SPDC is still on the job for the checks, and the only thing from government side, we won't spare anybody who has been hurt. We will take actions against them.
Kadang kita kena nak kalian PPP ba Congress yang mana tu Jingtih ni one ba jumpa dengan kita.
Slightly is that everybody sees that, but we are trying our best from the government to control. Yes, maybe sometimes happen, but any from the government we are full effort to control. There will be no more illegal mining in future. We are trying our best. So yes, when this unfortunate incidents happen, people blame, but actually it's our collective responsibility. We have to check, we have to balance, and we have to point them out from the government. We have to take actions directly who are involved against this illegal activity. We are not spare anybody. Ya kini ilayo ke petition ke request from the various mines owner. Ki ang participate layak lah. Ya kini subject to CM for the last 1 year. Mulai discuss pada central government if they can reduce the area to small size. So at least the local will come have the scientific mining all over the state is under discussion. It's illegal mining. The illegal people who are involved, they do whatever they want, but actually government is not favor with it. Simple as that. And that is because of these people, all this illegal thing our people is dying on the spot. And we are very unfortunate to see all this. And government is very, very proactive and will take a necessary step directly to all involved with this illegal mining. When the operation stop, you will get detail on this.